Imagine a world where animals and robots merge to explore the cosmos. The future of space travel is here. This concept might sound like science fiction, but it's actually based on some really cool advancements in technology. Scientists have been studying how animals move and survive in extreme environments, like the desert or the deep sea. And they're using that knowledge to create robots that can do the same thing. These robots are called bio-inspired robots, which basically means they're designed to mimic the way animals work. For example, a robot that's inspired by a snake can slither through tight spaces, while a robot that's inspired by a bird can fly through the air. But what if we took this idea a step further and actually combined animals and robots to create a whole new kind of space explorer? This is where the idea of robot-animal hybrids comes in. It might sound a little weird, but hear me out. By combining the best of both worlds, we could create a space explorer that's incredibly resilient, adaptable, and able to survive in even the harshest environments. For instance, a robot with a gecko-inspired grip could climb walls and ceilings, while a robot with a bat-inspired echolocation system could navigate through dark or dusty spaces. But how would this actually work? Well, scientists are already experimenting with things like brain-computer interfaces, which allow animals to control robots with their minds. It's a pretty complex technology, but basically, it uses sensors to read the animal's brain signals, and then uses those signals to control the robot's movements. This technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we explore space. One of the biggest advantages of robot-animal hybrids is that they could potentially survive in environments that are hostile to humans. For example, a robot with a cockroach-inspired body could withstand extreme temperatures and radiation, while a robot with a squid-inspired propulsion system could swim through the icy waters of a distant planet. The possibilities are endless, and scientists are just starting to explore the potential of this technology. So, how exactly do these robot-animal hybrids work? Well, it all starts with biomimicry, which is just a fancy way of saying that scientists are copying ideas from nature to solve human problems. They study the unique features of certain animals, like the gecko's sticky feet or the eagle's sharp eyesight, and then use that knowledge to design robots that can perform similar tasks. For example, a robot with gecko-inspired feet could climb walls and ceilings, which would be super useful for searching damaged buildings or exploring rocky terrain on other planets. But it's not just about copying animal features, it's also about understanding how they work together to create a living, breathing creature. Scientists are using advanced computer simulations to model the behavior of animals, and then using that information to program their robots. This allows the robots to learn and adapt in ways that are similar to their animal counterparts. And the results are pretty amazing, with robots that can run like cheetahs, jump like fleas, and even fly like birds. As this technology continues to advance, we can expect to see some really exciting developments in the field of space exploration. Imagine a robot that can explore the surface of Mars, using its insect-inspired legs to climb over rocks and its bird-like wings to soar through the thin atmosphere. Or a robot that can swim through the oceans of Europa, using its fish-like body to navigate through the icy waters and its squid-like tentacles to collect samples. The possibilities are endless, and it's an exciting time to be alive. So, if you want to learn more about the latest advancements in robot-animal hybrids, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the future of space exploration and the role that these robots will play.